Hello and thank you for stopping by Opto Sigma's virtual booth here at Photonics West. Over the past year, we've released many new advanced products and want to give you a quick update on their key features and specifications. Of course, there's nothing like seeing products in person, but we think this is the next best thing, so here goes. The first of these new products is our Nano-resolution linear translation stages. Although they look like regular motor stages, our proprietary optical encoder enables movement resolution as small as 1 nanometer. Additional versions have resolutions of 5, 10, and 50 nanometers. Travel range options go from 20 mm up to 200 mm. Each of the nano-resolution stages has its own dedicated controller. An optional handheld jog controller is also available. Opto Sigma is pleased to introduce an all-new family of linear translation stages, equipped with Piezo-Assist adjustment. The piezo adjustment is designed to be used in conjunction with the micrometer to extend the stage resolution from 10 micrometers down to less than 20 nanometers. They are available in 25, 40, and 60 mm platform sizes. They are configured for X, XY, and Z-axis linear translation. Controllers are available in 1-axis and 3-axis versions. Not to be confused with the Piezo-Assist products, are the Piezomotor Actuators. In addition to providing 30 nanometer high-resolution adjustment, they also provide much longer travel ranges. Their industry standard shank ensures compatibility with most manual linear stages or rotation stages, including those from Opto Sigma. A 2-axis controller is available with sample programs. You saw the first of our MHX high-stability stainless steel mirror mounts at Photonics West last year. This year, we've added 5 new models, including 3 for half-inch mirrors. In addition to their excellent thermal stability and repeatability, they have many other key features, like front or rear optic loading, alignment pinholes, and center post mounting. MHX mirror mounts are complemented by our new PHX series stainless steel pedestal post holders. Knobs and locks for the MHX mirror mounts are available separately. Also new to the scene, are the family of miniature motor stages. All of these stages have platform sizes measuring just 25 mm across and provide precision motorized translation in tight spots. This family includes 4 types of stages: linear horizontal, linear vertical, rotation, and finally goniometric, all of which can be combined for multi-axis positioning. These miniature stages run on our 5-phase stepper motors and can be controlled by most of our existing stepper motor controllers. We have a new lineup of motorized shutters and irises, specifically for our optical cage. Additionally, they are compatible with 16, 30, and 60 mm cages from other manufacturers. Their slot-in insertion feature means you can add them to an existing cage structure without taking it apart. A real time saver. With their post-mounting threads, they can be used like any other mount on an optical table. Electronic controllers are available for both the shutters and the irises. We introduced our optical wavelength tuners in 2020. Optical wavelength tuners adjust both the center wavelength and transmission bandwidth independently for a broadband light source. An additional adjustment is provided to realign the beam for refraction offset. They have greater than 75% transmission and greater than OD6 extinction ratio. All of our optical wavelength tuners provide large 10 mm input and output apertures. We also carry a set of adapters to connect our optical wavelength tuners to popular microscopes for fluorescence microscopy. Our substantial lineup of laser safety glasses was upgraded this year with the introduction of the new YL780 models. They still cover all the key laser wavelengths as before, but now have extra features for an exact fit and perfect comfort. The temple contact points can now be adjusted, and there are versions for both high bridge and low bridge noses. Additionally, the lenses have a special anti-fog coating for clearer vision. Finally, as the last of the new products, we are now offering high-precision optics from Aspheric. The product line includes precision polished aspheric lenses, 25 mm axicons with cone angles from 1/2 degree to 20 degrees, acylindrical lenses up to 50 mm square, and a set of precision beam tuning optics for optimizing your optical beam. All of the Aspheric optics have anti-reflection coating options from the UV through to the near IR. Well, that's it. I hope you saw some products you liked. For more information on these new products, please visit our website at optosigma.com. Thank you again for stopping by Opto Sigma's virtual booth here at Photonics West.